Wow. See, I automatically like that right there. Buckle up, kids. That hit the spot, man. Smooth. Turbo picked up. I just felt like an instant gain of power right there. So it automatically starts braking for you on decel, right?
It does. Especially if you're going down hills and stuff.
I felt that. It's like an automatic assist. It's wide, it's long. I'm not really used to this, man. Coming from a Civic.
Yeah, it's definitely not quite as nimble in that way.
It feels good though. I do like the driving comfort on this. Definitely seems like it's more of a daily driver aspect.
But it still maintains some firmness, you know what I mean?
Right.
Suspension.
Yeah, for sure.
It's even got the heated seats, you know, it's got everything you need, really.
So we're in normal mode right now. And I'm not even, that wasn't even fully on it. I've yet to drive a Civic Si 1.5 turbo, but I can vouch for the 2.0 turbo because I've drove the Type R and now I've drove the Accord Sport. Very, very great cars. Dude, I wasn't even fully matted. Consent, you know?
Send it.
Handles very, very smooth. Hugs the roads really good too. You probably have really good tires. I know, I've seen the Michelins, right?
Yeah, the stocks. Yeah, I think
stocks.
Yeah, they're stock tires. Stock 274 pounds starting at 1,500, I believe.
That's literally where I'm at right now, guys. That's right as soon as you tap the gas full throttle, you're literally right into full peak torque. That's why it's hard for the traction.
Yes.
Let this guy gonna go anyways, honestly. Should we
Good.
Oh
You have a
geez.
little boost gauge now over there. You see it? Yeah.
Right on the little thing there, yep. What are you doing? Woo! Hey, you can definitely tell the difference right there, man. Jurassic. I like how the dash lights up red too, on each side. Little copy. Floor it.